Hey guys, good afternoon. Pockie here, server 5, coming with you for coming on to you with a new video. Well, generally whenever I haven't done a video for a while, the next video I would usually do would be a all blue video or something like that. I'm not entirely. Uh, I'm not going to be doing an AB video today, unfortunately. As there's not much point in me doing AB one anymore since I got Robin on my last try, so I'm just waiting. My next goal will be AB2 for the next whenever the next chapter comes out for Marco, who is probably one of my top 3 One Piece characters. So he's on my list of things that I want to get. But today what we're going to do is something a little bit different. At the minute, my current crew is, let's see, open it here. Robin. She still needs a lot of work. There's Brooke. I'm working on him slowly but surely. I'm back to using Chopper, so I am. I can't decide. I can't choose to stay with any one crew for God's sake. But at the minute, I'm using Chopper. I probably will continue to use him. Protagonist, he's still got Fire God, so he's slow as chicken butt. And then there's Nami, who I've been working on quite hard. She's coming along quite nicely. Hopefully in the next few days she'll be Star M Pierce as well. She does, since I've worked on her, she was like 6.8 M Pierce a few days ago. Now she's, nearly 12%. The people on the server are nuts. But there's a lot of good people on the server 5 to 8. But I've stopped using Vivi. She's okay, but kinda boring now, so I'm currently working on a Black Moon set for Chopper 2, because at the minute, you got a mixmatch.com set. So I've got pretty much the money I need, and I can sell scrolls, 25 mil just for one of those. The rest of them are worth more than that. So, but the one thing I want to do. Whoa, the fuck was that? Damn, this heat, it is so warm, so there's bugs everywhere. And for some reason here as well, there's a lot of wasps flying about. And those things just like to fuck everybody's day up. Okay. What we're gonna do here, guys, is we're gonna do this. We're gonna make Chopper SSS. Just cause, eh? Hey, Mr. Wasp, stay away from me, please. Let's upgrade. Let's do this. I probably could have done Robin, but Chopper's more useful SSS than what Robin is, so Oh, look at that. Have to wait a minute, I think. Badoomph. I've got Golden Chopper now. Woohoo! Let's see how we duel against my arch nemesis Lychee. He generally kicks my ass, but let's see what happens. I've been working hard on my formation and stuff, so bit of his Nami kicks my ass. Fucking Frankie. Chopper. We need the fuck. Oh, that was just unlucky. Come on, Chopper, I need. Oh, I lose. I just got decimated. It was just unlucky. Damn you, Lychee. Damn you. This Frankie is a fucking nuisance, so he is. once Rampage procs, it's pretty much game over. My Brook doesn't proc his Rampage for like seems to be like, you know, 1 in 5 times, which is ridiculous, and it's really annoying. We 60k heal. I'll need to work on his aim attack to get that heal up, but that's still pretty good considering he still then gets the heal. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I can deal with that. Let's see, 58. The higher his aim attack, the higher his heal, right? Let's see. Restore HP that equal 100% aim attack to all allies. Also increase one restore status for targets. Restore HP equal to max HP 10% to the target before each round begins. What? Also increases 1 restore status for targets. What the fuck does that mean? Restores HP equal to max HP 10% to the target before each round begins. Lasting 2 rounds. Random increase 100 fury for one of the crew. The amount of HP restored will increase the crew's width raises. I'm sorry about that noise in the background, guys. I'm currently having work done on my house, which will be being done all day, so there's not really a whole lot I can do about this. Okay, so, right. I'm assuming that with SSS, he does a heal first, and then he will... God, it's so damn noisy around here. That was a helicopter flying over, so... I'm sorry. I'm assuming that he will heal 100% of his aim attack, then you do his normal 10% heal, which increases within it for 2 turns, plus the 100 fury. Now I'm going to have to work on increasing his aim attack. I think he's got like a level 5 ASM attack, Shadow. Let's see. I'll have to increase it to like level 9. And what's his hacky at? Hacky, hacky. Okay. Well, he's got a 34 on there, so it's not like he's got a crop hacky. I think it's... Stick that bad boy in there. I might increase the heal a bit, but I need Brook to still do damage. Well, I'll work on that somehow. It's not overly important right now. I forgot he's still got that aim attack staff on too. Maybe fine like a... What's the thing for? So he would gain 3600 aim attack with a full set, which really isn't a whole lot. I'll increase that. What's his in it at the minute? Develop in it. So I can probably get us in it to about 2000. I could probably get us in it up to about 2k. I think I would probably max out now about 2k, which is what I'll work on. Just getting that max, that's what I'm going to work on next. Maintain. I think I fell asleep when I was doing my protagonist last. Brook is nearly maxed. Robin's and it sucks balls. I haven't touched Nami's in it for like 5 or 6 months. But things are starting to look a wee bit. Let's see who we get in Gladiator, because I haven't done anything yet today. That is a really shit crew. fucking good crew there. It just got worse last time. SS, S, SS, SSS. See, I wish if she had an SS, that would have been better. But you can't really do much with this crew, like. It's got healers, but that's it. It's got no tanks. And I can't afford to keep wasting gold. Okay, let's see. The new badge system is pretty good, to be fair. I'm quite liking it. It's helping out a lot. My Brook at the minute, he's getting 232 speed from this, plus 10.3% dodge and 6k HP. From this one, 10% dodge, 1000 physical, and 7 deter critical. But I'm going to refine this. Nope. HP and deter crit. No, that's not what I want. 2k speed, critical hit. The critical hit's no use to me. And the one problem I've noticed with this is whenever you refine a badge, you then have to remove it and then put it back on to update the stats. That should put what's Brook's speed now? That's gonna fuck up my turn. Brook will probably move before Robin. Okay, gang, so sorry, I'm gonna pause the video because of the noise. Yes, actually, Brook was now moving quite a lot. Was moving quicker than what Robin was. So I just kind of I took this badge off of Nami and put it on Robin. But I will be able to get another badge soon, cause I only need another 15. Fuck it. Give us. I just do a 20 here because of a better chance, I suppose. Well, at least you would assume so. Come on, give me 2. I just need 2 Zoros. Oh, you suck. But I do also have some gold here. Let's see if we can get a. Let's waste some gold and try and get 2 more Zoros. This sucks. Come on, I just need like no. Well, yes, I just need 1 more Zoro. And I'm 1 gold off. 1 gold. Seriously. Let's put faith in the old dungeon, which seems to give very little gold these days. Like, I've done like 15 of them yesterday and got 10 gold. Which is pretty crap, to be honest. I really need to work on my crew's stats right now because they have some of my crew are much further ahead than others, and I need to build my crew's speed up, as well as their P immune and their M immune. But trying to get the shells is a real pain in the ass, so it is. Also, what did you guys think of this week's Bleach, One Piece, and Naruto chapters? The One Piece chapter, I really enjoyed it. I really don't like. I really don't like Rebecca, so I don't. And see the whole sub story about protecting toy soldiers and stuff. I really hope Luffy doesn't give her Ace's fruit, because if he does, I will rage quit, in all honesty. 1 Zoro. Fuck off! This game hates me, guys. It really does, like. I need 30 gold. Ain't hammer. Fuck it. I'll just pause it while I do these, guys. Um, I couldn't get any more gold, so I just kind of cheated and bought 5 beans. So that's what happens when you're impatient. I suppose I really shouldn't be spending any more money on this game right now, but uh, I'm impatient, so let's do it. Seriously, like. Oh, this is bullshit, yo. Seriously. I'm an idiot for wasting so much gold here. Really, I am. I'm done, I'll just do it tomorrow, because that's fucking ridiculous. That's actually ripping the arse out of it. Really, really disappointing. 10 gold. Even if I did get 10 gold, I'm not fucking spending it on that. But I do know what I will spend it on. I need to go to see this critical. I need something else instead of this. Preferably physical attack. Physical defense, 2000 physical defense. Meh, it'll do. Could have been worse. This wasp is really pissing me off. It's flying and sitting on my head and shit. Make it go away. There we go. Let's see how we're looking. 78k defense with a black moon set. No, that's not too bad. But it seems like he's dropped a shit ton of attack. Oh, I don't know, I don't care. Career info, who have we got again? Oh yeah, this shit, don't even think I have 20. No. Let's give you inspiration and holy guard. Vivi, you can come too, fucking more than our holy guard. Kid, he'll be the damager for the team. And Shelter of God. Sog. Left 50, tactics. And Shelter of God. Rampage. Grand Par. More HP the better. And you can come. What's your damage again? 200 damage a column. It's not like I've got many options, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, I'm gonna go with you here, you here. Okay guys, I'm sorry, my house is very noisy today, so today was probably a bad day to make a video, but I really didn't want to wait to make Chopper SSS, so you know, I went ahead and made the video anyway. Sorry it isn't quite the quality that I tried to make, even though the quality's usually shit anyway, but I'm probably just gonna have to end the video here guys, because my house is too noisy right now. It's kinda in intervals while they're doing work downstairs, so I will make another video soon guys, and thanks for watching. Have a great day, and peace out.